Hi guys. So let's wait for people to join in. Hi Muttu. Okay. Okay. Hi Aditya. So here is Tanmay. So let me add him in.
Hello.
Hi Tanmay. How are you? All
Hi,
set?
hi. All set, all set.
Am I audible
Uh,
actually? There's some
you are
glitches
audible
from
and
your
I'm also audible. I'm getting a feedback
there's
of
some
my own
glitches
voice.
from there's some glitches from your side.
Okay, my net is working well, but there's a problem at your end because I can hear my own voice feeded back to me.
Okay, cool. Fine.
So,
So how
it's
was your
it's
day?
really disturbing. It's really disturbing because I
Yeah,
can hear my
it would
own
be
voice
good.
back to me.
Okay, no
So
issues.
if you can, are you using a earphone?
Yes.
Okay, it shouldn't happen in that case. But okay, we just get
Can
through
we?
this.
Okay, cool. No issues then. Okay, so before we start, first of all, I would like to know how was your day today?
Fantastic. I've been busy working on a few things. Uh,
Uh-huh.
there are a few things with relation to the college work, and then I'm doing some online courses. One needs to keep on updating themselves, right?
Right. Totally agreed on that. But I think we are on the same plane, maybe. Anyway, so how was your? How is your quarantine? Actually, where do you put up? You are in Pune right now. How is the
Yes, I'm in
situation
Pune.
over there?
The situation is not that great, uh,
Oh,
but we have been in indoors itself, so things are safe at our end at least.
oh, that's fine. That was good to know. Anyway,
What
so
about you?
before we
Where are you
get,
right now?
I'm in Delhi.
Oh, okay. I don't think it's any better than Pune, it seems.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Yeah.
So I think it's like
Right.
self-explanatory when you tell like I put up in Delhi, so it's self-explanatory. Like what the situation would be.
Yeah, you have a CM who used to always cough, so you are more susceptible to it.
Oh my god, I think we should not discuss that over here. It sounds be good. Anyway, okay. So before we join in, it would be good if you can introduce yourself to all the viewers, so who get to know
Certainly,
you.
certainly.
Right.
So I am Tanmay Mehta. I am a professor and the head of the department at ISBM College of Commerce,
Right.
and I've been working with ISBM for the past 7 years, and it's been a great experience. And it is a great experience because when you talk about ISBM students, they are the most aspiring students, and they are all-round talent. So it's not just about boring sessions or going to class, teaching one subject. It's a very dynamic space where my job is only to guide and mentor the students, and they fly.
Right.
So it's great to see the success stories in our eyes.
Right, that's good to know. Also, I got to know like you have 7 years of experience in this, and how has been your profile yet? Like how was it challenging? What were the challenges you faced? It would be good if you share that.
Certainly, certainly. So I remember the very first day I had taught in a class.
Okay.
It was interesting. The first year was pretty difficult because you even as a teacher you need to understand that you you are not better than the students in any way. You have to treat them as your equals. You have to give them the respect. So it took me some time to understand that You have to treat them as adults, you have to give them respect, and you have to understand that they're intelligent enough to think for themselves. So when that happens, when you realize that you're not a teacher but a mentor, a guide, that changes the whole game, and that allows people to take charge of their lives and grow for themselves, and they become responsible people, responsible citizens. So that realization slowly dawned upon me, and it has been a sweet realization. Things have been much better and calmer and more satisfying ever since.
That's good to know. Anyway, like I have nothing to say on that part because I'm just entering my, what do you call, the corporate world maybe. That's how I can
Right.
explain. So anyway, so I have few questions already set for you. Fine. And
Okay, good.
before we start with that, I would like my, or our viewers to know that if you guys have any question, you can keep posting over here. We'll just connect as soon as we, get free from my questions. Anyway, so the first question would be, so since you are from ISBM, so the whole
Right.
session is basically based on our theme that is online is the new offline. So since
Right.
you know that a lot of entrance exams, everything are getting postponed, what's your viewpoint on it? Is it a good thing or a bad thing, like getting postponed?
See, exams not happening is never a good thing. Exams are a opportunity to prove your talent, right?
Right.
If suppose these exams don't happen and you are just promoted, so you'll always be judged by it that you are a promoted guy, you never got to prove your worth, है ना? So that's very unfortunate if exams are not happening. Of course, when exams get postponed, it's even worse. Either the exams happen or either they don't happen, but when they get postponed, it is really frustrating for the students. I understand that, but even in the given situation, what can they do?
Right.
So
right. Oh my god, I think you totally got my voice because I'm still yet to give my last sem exam and I'm like broken right now. Like, okay, we have to cope up with the studies again. So it's like
Right.
1 or 2 months it has been. Yeah, it has been 2 months and I already feel like I lost the touch of education, man. I feel so. I
Right.
don't know about others, but personally I feel so. I will take some time to get used to that regular, study thing. Anyway,
True,
so
it's a huge task because you don't know when exactly the exams are going to happen. So you don't know what is the momentum you should keep, how regular you should study, and you might, it is very important when you peak. If you start too early, you'll peak early, and then you might not be able to perform as great as you can. So it is a very tricky situation, and I think you should keep yourself busy doing something else, something more creative. Keep on getting knowledge and just keep in touch in whatever you had to prepare for the exams. Touch base every day with that, and for the rest of the day, you do new things. Keep that cognitive power feeded with things to do.
I think I'm doing everything else other than studying. Trust me, other than the college stuff, I'm doing everything else to keep myself updated with new courses. And I actually learned that this quarantine have been productive for me personally. I don't know about others, but for me
Right.
personally, I'm learning a lot. So I'm happy with this. Totally. I don't know why, but I am happy with this. Anyway.
Good,
so,
good.
Okay. So the first question that I have noted down, what are the job opportunities available for BBA, CA and media courses over ISB?
Okay, so this is the best course out there, BBA, CA and media. So what happens in BBA, CA is you learn about management, you learn about computer applications, you learn about media. Okay, so after 3 years, you have a very, very unique set of knowledge. You have a synergistic advantage. So you can go for a job which requires your management skills. So you can go into sales, you can go into HR, you can go into finance, you can go into any what you can say, the management related jobs. You can go for a computer applications related job. You can become a coder, a tester. So those opportunities are there. You can go for jobs relating to media. You can become a photographer. You can become a sound designer. You can become an event manager. You can become corporate communication में आप जा सकते हैं. So there's so many things. So media itself is such a vast thing. So these are opportunities that come from that individual area itself. But when you combine two areas together, Now, suppose you are a very good photographer, and now you have the knowledge of management that you have got from the BBA portion of the course. Now you can become a good freelance photographer who understands the business of photography, right? So those are the interesting opportunities, because media is a sector that has a lot of freelance opportunities. And how can you do it in a better way, wherein you can actually make some money out of your talent? Now that is where you can learn all of these things in BBA, right? And you learn the skills in media. And when you marry media and BCA, that is computer application, that is amazing. Because just imagine, we are using Instagram right now, right?
Right.
So first of all, when Instagram came in, it was just an app that helped you filter pictures, right? It helped you edit pictures and then share it.
Right.
So whoever made Instagram, he needs to have knowledge about coding and also knowledge about photography, how photos work, how they need to be edited, right? So these are the two segments of knowledge that got together to make Instagram. So understand, every application in the media field requires somebody who knows both of these domains, right? So, and how many people are there out who know all of these? And if somebody does BBA, CA plus media, you are understanding 3 different domains. So that is a rarity. So after 3 years, you can either go for jobs in all these 3 areas. You can be a freelancer in many of these things. You can also go for post-graduation studies in any of these things. You can do MCA, you can do MBA, you can do a postgraduate in media. So no other course would allow you so many opportunities after graduation. So it's a very, very exciting field. And now I have joined you people using the ISBM COC ID. If you go on ISBM COC page, you can see that we are doing a segment called ISBM Alumni Baatcheet, wherein I interview our alumni who have achieved some amount of success in a very less amount of time. You can check out that many of these students are from who have done BBA, CA. Like the episode 8, we had one of our media students who has now become a director. He has assisted 2 feature-length films. His short film has gone to one of the most prestigious film festivals. So that is only in 1 year. Till last year, he was our student. So there are so many of these success stories that each week we have 3 episodes. So we already are on episode number 10. That would be happening tomorrow. We have this one person called Sanal Patil, who was a BBA CA student from the 13-16 batch.
Okay.
And he's a crazy person, I'll tell you. You asked me about what are the opportunities for BBA CA plus media. He did not do media. I'll just tell you about what are the opportunities for BBA CA. He is currently working at IBM as a cloud architect. He is also working as an interior designer because he always was interested in it and he never left his passion. That is something an ISBMite learns, that don't give up your passions. Thirdly, he's also having a venture where he's what is he doing? He's doing industrial shade design. So he has worked with companies like Tata Motors, Force Motors, Whirlpool, big companies, Godrej. And now he has entered into a new venture as well. So he has 3 business ventures, a job, and now he's also doing civil engineering from a college.
Oh my God.
So that is an ISBM student for you.
Nice. That's interesting to know actually the way you have put forward the examples and the opportunities ahead for students who are looking for a variety of things, because nowadays students are not looking for only placement. They are looking much ahead of that in their growth perspective as well, right? So that's good to know. Anyway, we have a question starting pouring over here.
Okay,
So
great.
this is admission start. Okay. If I'm not cleared symbiosis for BBA, what should be our second preference if I'm looking for BBA from Pune?
You know the answer, right? ISBNM, International School of Business and Media. It is certainly, why are you even driving for Symbiosis? I don't think if Symbiosis has this unique opportunity of BBA plus media or BBA CA plus media, these are very unique opportunities that are not available anywhere else. So,
Oh my God, I think that is like very self-explanatory why we have this session over here. Anyway, and there is one more. This is Aditya. Query of the day,
Right.
that is, students wants to know about PK sir and his ideology. Oh, that's interesting.
Right. So PK sir, they are referring to Pramod Kumar, the president of International School of Business and Media.
Okay.
So he believes in autonomy, right? He believes that all of these are adults. They are responsible for their lives, and they should learn that they are responsible for their actions. So there's no policing that happens in ISBNM. कि ये करो, ये मत करो. तुम करना है वो करो. Then you will learn कि तुम्हारे actions के consequences होते हैं. And therefore, when you see an ISBM student, a ISBM graduate, he's much more understanding, much more mature, much more responsible because he has done his share of mistakes already.
Get that? I get
So
that.
people learn from their mistakes, and you cannot keep hand holding people, right? And that is the ethos of ISBM, and that is what PK sir has ensured that stays the ethos of ISBM.
Right. That's good to know actually, because I feel like, okay, I have done mistakes. I think everyone does, and I think it's a growth perspective from my point of view. It's like you learn something out of it rather than being optimistic. Let's go in that pessimistic way, and I'm like, why? Why?
See, it's a law of probability, right?
Right.
You are going to make mistakes. The further you postpone your mistakes, you are just ensuring कि एक time पे बहुत आएंगे.
Right. It's like a bunch of you will be facing together again.
तो
Right.
कर लो थोड़े पहले ही.
I agree on that
Right.
part, by the way. Anyway, so
Right.
the next question would be, what all companies are usually called for placement and internship? By when does the season start? And the ranges, of
So-
course, of the placement offers that you get from your end.
See, we are talking about an undergraduate course. So
Right.
we try to send our students for internships that are not focusing on what stipend they earn. Okay. It is focused on what kind of learnings they get. Like in the first year, we give these students two important additional courses. One is communication, and the second is Microsoft Office. Okay.
Okay.
Now these are two most important skills that will help you in the internship out there. Okay.
Sure.
So even in communication, we divide the students in two categories. There's a lot that is really weak in communication, so we give them basic English communication. And those who are good with English communication to start with, we give them advanced corporate communication. So we are understanding where do you stand and how we can help you grow. So by the end of 1 year, we are making your internship ready. Okay. But then there would be students who want to go back home to their parents and they don't want to use an internship opportunity. वो कौन सी internship करना चाहेंगे? मेरे अंकल का एक कंपनी उधर मैं internship करूँगा. So that does not work. In most of the cases, it does not work. So we have a lot of opportunities. And these come throughout the year because ISBM has made a name for itself. So we keep on getting opportunities for internship throughout the year. But it is up to the student finally. We don't force the student into going for internship because, as I said, that is it's a freedom environment, right? You have to decide for yourself. We will keep on telling you what is the right thing to do because, as I said, we are just mentors, we are guides. You have to decide whether you have to go on the road that we are telling you. So some students take up the opportunities and they are doing great. If you look at at each person in these alumni Baatcheet episodes, each of these have been doing internships in their graduation period. Because internships are a great source of learning. They also ensure that you're on the right track. Sometimes you realize, you feel that I am interested in marketing. You do an internship of marketing and then you realize, oh my God, I cannot do it. So that will help you in course correction. The sooner you do it, the better it is, basically.
Better it is. I totally
Right.
agree on this part because I started my internship on the first graduation itself, and that point of time I remember like my friends were like, why do you have to even go through it? Let's get a certificate done. I'm like, dude, that won't be going to help you in the future, right? You will be facing the same
Exactly.
situation even after 5 years or whatever it is, right? It's better you face now. As an intern, it sounds much better rather as a person who is permanently employed over that. I feel that's much more embarrassing for you, right?
Certainly.
Okay.
So it's very important that you do internships.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I do. Even if I get 15 to 20 days in break, I'll be putting some effort in my learning because I really can't sit at home. That is the first thing. That's the issue I have. Second, I
That's
feel like
great.
just use your time. Just be productive at it. So yeah, actually I have done the last point you have mentioned that it's a corrective measure that you take in the course perspective as well,
True.
right? So I first of all did it in HR. That is the first thing. And now I'm totally into the other perspective that is into marketing, and I've actually got to learn like I'm not a person who can be in HR at all, at all. So that is the
Right.
difference, the life experience I myself have gained through it.
Certainly, because the realizations you will never realize these things when you are in a classroom, right? The theoretical knowledge will take you nowhere. You have to go out there, understand what is going on in the businesses, right? And that experience will help you in the exam, so that you will do academically well as well.
Right. I think you, got my words basically. Anyway, there is creative ka heat up, and yesterday we appeared for exam for BC.
Okay.
May I know the result date?
So the results will come out pretty soon. I think 5 to 6 days, if I'm not wrong. By the end of this month, we should be having the results. Now how the selection process works at ISBNM is
Yeah, that was
you
my
need.
next question.
I just got you there.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens is we have a limit of 50% marks at least, right? Now, if you have 50% marks, then you are eligible for the PI round, right? But if you are more than 75 marks, then you will directly be in the selection process straight away in the last round. So of the many people who have given the test, many might not be selected. But it is not only on the basis of marks. That is what I want to tell you. See, 50% is something that anybody can achieve. And in the interview session, what we try to understand is what is the hidden potential of a candidate. See, the marks that you score is just one measure of your intelligence. We at ISBM do not believe that we should judge somebody only on the basis of marks that they are scoring in an exam. When we take the personal interview or telephonic interview right now, we try to understand what are his aspirations, what are his principles, what are his goals, how much commitment does he have, how much focus does he or rather she also. So we take all these things into consideration. So somebody who is maybe just 52% marks, but we can see that potential that this person can be really successful. Maybe academically the person might remain mediocre, but we can identify that these persons can do very well in the market out there. So that is our focus when we take the what we can say, the personal interviews. So the key is that it's not, if you're scoring less in your exam, don't feel bad about it. If you think that you have something, if you are dynamic, you are outgoing, then possibly ISBM is the place for you. You just need to have the potential.
So basically, you also have a golden ticket concept out of that mark, something like you told.
You can say that, certainly. The easiest way to get into ISBM is scoring great marks, right? Because that is also one measure of intelligence is definitely marks, but that is not the only measure. That is why we have this golden ticket, right? So
Right. That's cool. So you guys must be having the GD also, or only PI?
right now, because we cannot have PIs and GD also, so right now we are just sticking to telephonic interviews.
Right, for just because of this COVID issue. Otherwise,
And we are not taking GDs for undergrads. The students are no way mature for a GD.
okay. Because I've gone through it. I don't know why, but I in my graduation.
It's just a pointless thing.
Because
Because
we have no idea about the other.
we don't even know ourselves. How can we, whenever we take PI, we don't try to see how intelligent you are, because तुम्हारा intelligence test हो गया है हमारे entrance exam में. Okay.
Right.
We try to understand what kind of person you are. So that is our focus.
So basically, it's a personality. First of all, that's PI. That's what it meant for, right?
Right,
So
right.
that's cool.
रोडीज जैसा नहीं होता इंटरव्यू. Don't worry about that.
I
Task नहीं करवाएंगे.
Okay, fine. That's good. Good to know. Actually, it's a good thing that. So sorry.
Videos
Yeah,
perfect.
actually. Okay, fine.
It
Am
seems.
I audible now?
Yeah, you are.
Cool. Okay, so do the students have an option to drop out of the particular half of the course? So this is Monisha.
Wow, that's a strange question to ask. Can they leave the college? Is it what she's asking? Yes, you
Yeah,
can leave the college. You wouldn't want to, but you can if you want to.
Yeah, okay, fine. But I think that would be, of course, maybe they
You
have
will be
some other
losing out a
plan.
year possibly.
Right, right, exactly.
The sooner they cancel the admission, the easier it is. But after a certain point of time, if they are canceling the admission, they'll not get their money back. That is, because we
Okay.
cannot refill that seat. If they are canceling at such a point that we are in no position to fill that
Enroll
seat,
other person,
then
right?
exactly, then they will not get their money back. The sooner they cancel their seat, they'll get a larger portion of their paid fees.
Okay, so what is like your process? First of all, like as you mentioned, after the selection, is there any counseling session that happens in like big universities like DU and other? So do you also have to go through it, or is it just that you came up with the cutoff and you are in?
So as I said, that the persons with the best mark, they get in straight away, and then who are not able to prove their intelligence through the entrance exam,
Right.
but are good enough, then we check their potential through a personal interview. And the personal interview, as I said, it is not about judging you; it is about understanding you. So that also works out to be kind of a counseling session, right?
Okay.
Understanding, it has to be a good fit. Sometimes a good student may not be a fit student for ISBM, or ISBM may not be the suitable college for them. We have to understand that there is compatibility, and that is what
Right.
we try to do when we have these personal interview sessions.
Oh my God, that's like a two win-win thing basically that you guys follow for each other, right?
We
Anyway,
have to,
okay.
otherwise it's a losing game. Otherwise you'll have people like what I think Manisha was asking, ki, can we leave the course midway? That is
Right.
what happen if you will take people who are not compatible to your college. That is what is going to happen. So even we don't want that.
Right, that's good to know. I think let people pour in, and before that, I'll ask my question that I've already taken down. Okay, so
Right,
can
right.
you? Okay, so this one, the GDPI one, I was about to ask, and you have cleared it. So, if
Okay.
what about the postgrad? You must be having the postgrads having GDPI, right? Rather than BA, BBA, or other.
Yes, yes, certainly. The postgraduate selection process is much more strenuous because the stakes are high. The stakes are high, and so I would rather not comment on it because I'm not personally involved in it. But of course, the PG at ISBNM is a whole different ball game. It is. It's on a completely different level, and many of our ISBM BBA students or undergrad students usually go up to do PG from ISBM because they know how good it is, and they know how to prepare for it and what is expected. So they do well to get into ISBM PG, and once you are in ISBM PG, you do well in life.
So basically, ISBM undergrads already have, maybe an extra benefit to get into the PG.
Certainly it does, because being a ISBM student, you learn a few characteristics that are very important. Like you become a multitasker, you become outgoing, you become confident, you become responsible. So these aspects of personality can make you really successful when it comes to the corporate life. You are venturing into it, so you will realize that these are some of the key traits that will help you take the benefit of the opportunities that you get.
Right.
Right?
Yeah. That's good to know. Anyway, so okay, in comparison to other universities, where do you consider the university, the ISBNM, of course, to stand and it offers?
So see, ISBM undergrads, the BB and BCA course, they are affiliated with the Pune University, and Pune University is amongst the top 10 universities in India. So that is great. And just last year they have really revamped the entire BBA BCA course. They have made it really contemporary. It is with today's time, in line with today's needs. So right now the course is amazing. Earlier the specialization used to come in into the third year. Now it is coming into the second year itself. So you are getting exposed to a specialization for 4 semesters. That is good level of knowledge into your specialized subject. They are also having 6 core subjects and 1 additional subject every semester. So by the end of 6 semesters, you would have learned 42 subjects. Just imagine,
My goodness.
you finish your undergrads and you have knowledge from 42 different domains.
That's great to know. Actually, that is astonishing for me. Yeah, just hold on. I think there's something issue. Okay, fine. I think my net isn't working properly. That it's loading again and again. Anyway, I think meanwhile it loads. I'll just continue with my questions.
Sure,
Okay,
please.
so as you mentioned, how many intakes are there for every course? Specifically talking about undergrads.
Right. So we have two courses that are in affiliation with University of Pune, and
Okay.
media is an optional additional certificate course which is
Oh,
structured by ISBNM. Okay. So
that's
for
good to know.
BBA we have 80 seats, and for
Mhm.
BCA we have 80 seats, and among these 160, a few will be allowed to take up media, right?
Oh,
So we do not have a number, the maximum number, but of course it can, the highest it can go to is 160, but of course it will not go to that, because not everybody who comes to SBM is also interested in doing media,
media,
because
right.
it is slightly more taxing, it is slightly more demanding of you, because any other graduate. So there's a reason why we have done this, by the way, why we
Yeah,
have
I
offered a
wanted
media
to
course.
know this, right?
So BBA course or BBA CA course per se is not a very difficult course. It is not
Okay.
a very demanding, challenging course, right? So you will have time on your hands, and you should do something with that time. And that something can be anything. Because if you don't do something with that time, then empty mind is devil's workshop, right?
Certainly, of course.
So therefore it can be anything. So we are just giving you an option of doing media. That can be one of those additional things that you can do, because media has a ton of opportunities, and if you're a creative person, you would love being a part of media. It is not only about production and photography and films. No, media has a
Yeah,
lot more than it. It's events, it's corporate communication, it's content writing, it's journalism. So there are more aspects to it than a person might usually थिंक कि मीडिया यानी बस वो चकाचौंध, वैसा नहीं है, बहुत सारी
right,
चीज़ें होती
right.
हैं which can very well go with your BBA BCA course as well.
Oh,
So
wow.
some people, they don't go for media course, they say no, we'll be doing internships throughout, so they do that. Some people say no, we want to learn foreign language courses, they do that. But the key is that just don't do only BBA, because कोई भी कर सकता है 3 साल के बाद. what advantage do you want to have
Right,
with respect to your competition? So we are giving you one option because it's a good option. You can do that. It's
right, right.
easy, because we will ensure that the BBA and media courses, they gel well together. There's no clashes between the classes. So, but if you're trying something elsewhere and it does not clash with your classes, you can also do that. So that
Wow.
is how we have 80 plus 80 BBA plus BBA CA. We have 160 seats only. So therefore, we have a very,
Okay.
very focused approach to our teaching and everything that
Curriculum,
we
right,
provide. Certainly.
right. That's good to know. Actually, I had no idea that you guys have an optional subject that people can opt for, and that too in undergrads itself. So that's something really, it's like a benefit, I believe, because in graduation, it's just the basic thing. I believe it's just like a schooling for nowadays, right? And adding things to it is definitely, certainly would be a benefit for you in the future, and not only in the
Exactly.
academic purpose. Media, as per se, I believe it provides you a lot of confidence. The way you speak, the way you do stuff, you already have an extra thing in you. It brings you up much more confidence, I believe, right? So at
Certainly,
the same
certainly.
right, at the same time, I would like to know, like, since we're talking about internships, right? So, in your curriculum, is it like a 2 month internship, or you can have a 6 month long? Because every university and colleges have a different way of working on it.
So we do not believe in doing internships at the cost of your academics.
Okay,
So if it's a summer internship, it can be 2 months long.
okay.
We do adjust maybe 15 days of classes. We can adjust that. But a 6 month internship is possible only if it is outside of college hours.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
people have been doing that as well. So that has been done.
So,
But
it can be more than 2 months.
certainly, if it is not clashing with your college hours, it can be
Okay.
for 3 years if you want.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's
Because
something.
we have had some students who have done not just one, two, or three. They have done 5, 6 internships, and they are now working with those startups. They are doing really well. Any students who are interested to know more, they should check out the Alumni Baatcheet. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we are interacting with the alumni, and their success stories will let them learn a lot as to what kind of approach they need to keep and what happens at ISBNM. They'll get to know about it.
That's actually needed. I believe that everyone should check out. Alumni always bring that confidence and that boosts up. Okay, fine. If they can do it, we can definitely.
Absolutely.
Right? Okay.
These are very young alumni. Some of them are just a year old or 2 year old
Oh my God.
students. So these students have accomplished a lot. So there's this student from the 13-16 batch who worked for 2 years in a job, and then he started his own venture. It's a big solar. He's into solar. His company is doing very well. Even in the lockdown, he's busy working. His projects go into lakhs, if not crores. And now he has started his second venture. So he's becoming a serial entrepreneur. So you
wow.
see, so it's great to see when your students are doing so well for themselves in such a short amount of time. It's even better.
Right. That's really amazing. First of all, that's astonishing for me because I'm from that batch itself. But it's totally fine, I believe it. I'm happy with what I'm doing. So that
it's
is
not a race.
Important, right? Exactly. So anyway, but I'll be taking that as a challenge to move forward a bit. Okay. Anyway, so there's one more question from our audience, and that is Vanishka. That is, what online courses you would suggest to BBA students to have a strong CV?
See, it depends upon what interest area do you have. Now, many times these online courses, the certificate does not have the same weightage that you might think कि हमने certificate लगा दिया हमारे CV में तो बस हो गया.
नहीं.
But what happens when you have that certificate? It gives an opportunity for the interviewer to ask you questions about it, and you have then an opportunity to prove that you have the knowledge in that domain. So आपने अगर सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेशन कर लिया और आपके पास नॉलेज नहीं है तो फिर कुछ मतलब नहीं है उस सर्टिफिकेशन का. So it is key कि identify what is your interest area and then do certifications and ensure that you actually do knowledge accumulation. That is the key. Certification तो बहाना है, knowledge ही कमाना है. Okay,
exactly.
So that should be your mantra.
I'll be using that as our caption below this after our session over. I like that caption.
Sure.
Anyway, okay, so this is another question I have. What all scholarships or reservations are available for the students?
I wouldn't be really very, to be very frank, I do not have that information on my hand because I have always been concerned with academics only. These things are usually taken care of by administrators. So, but there are scholarships that are available that are brought in by the government. Those apply to all colleges. They will apply here as well. The college gives out all support for your bank loans for getting the scholarship. So whatever support is required from the college will do it. There's no scholarship scheme from the college. It does help the students in the locality where it is. So students from that area, they do help them with lower fees, but that is because they owe them because they share the space with them. So that is the least that they can do. But otherwise, there's no scholarship as such because good things don't come cheap.
Right, I got that. Okay, fine. So also I wanted to know in getting into the shoes of the graduate students. So people coming from other states, so they usually have the issues of settling down and about the places or hostel. So is there any other things that you guys provide such as hostel, or is it like we only have the PG opportunities for people?
No. There's a hostel. Definitely there's a hostel. And one great thing about ISBNM is it has a very cosmopolitan environment because almost 50% of the students are from outside of Maharashtra, or if not from outside of Maharashtra, at least outside of Pune. So there are a lot of people who have come away from their homes and are trying to find a home over here, and they just get along well together. There's no sense of no, you are out of Maharashtra or you are a Maharashtrian, because it's a much more, as the name suggests, it has a very international outlook.
Okay, that's good to know because there are a lot of issues, especially as in India, we have a dynamic culture and everything is different from state to state, you know. So
Yes,
settling down to a different place altogether is like entering a different country. It feels so, right? No, seriously,
true,
it
true,
is so diverse. But anyway, but that's always a plus, I believe. It's like you're learning something
very
new
well,
every time, right?
certainly.
So I have no idea much about Maharashtra because I've been to Mumbai, that's it, and that for
Okay.
I think twice. That's all, nothing else. So I have
Now,
nothing to say on Maharashtra specifically. Might be, and but I would love to visit definitely because I've been hearing a lot of things from Maharashtrians and who have Maharashtrians who are so proudly like you have to visit Maharashtra for sure.
certainly, I think everybody should be proud of their culture, but in no way that should be demeaning to others. So your
Right,
pride should not be, at the cost of demeaning others. So
right, right.
that's the least that anybody expects.
That's cool to go. Anyway, so I would like to know, like, is there any suggestion or advice you would like to give to students who are facing, not particularly about ISBM, this is just a general thing,
Right,
who are
right.
facing a lot of issues just because of COVID. There are, first of all, to mention the stress and the anxiety issues is like rising ahead a lot, especially
Right.
after this lockdown has arisen. So, you have anything to suggest them or advise them to not get into such things, or any other way to get out of those stress or anxiety issues?
See, the anxiety comes from not knowing. Because they don't know what is going to happen. Like, suppose there are these students who have finished their 12th and they do not know where they can get an admission. Somebody who wants to possibly go into sectors which require entrance exam beforehand. So the
Right.
entrances have not happened and they are very unclear कि कब होंगे, फिर कैसे होगा, मैं कहाँ मुझे लगेगी. So
Right.
they can do a research कि कौन से कॉलेज हैं, and they can just आइडेंटिफाई, डू द रिसर्च, क्योंकि होने क्या वाला है कि पता नहीं है कब रिजल्ट लगेंगे, कब आपको मौका मिलेगा टू फाइनली डिसाइड कि कहाँ जाना है. सो टेक दिस टाइम, डू ऑल द रिसर्च बिफोर हैंड, आइडेंटिफाई कि अगर मुझे इतने मार्क्स मिले तो फिर मैं कहाँ जा सकता हूँ, अगर इतने मिले. सी, इट इज नॉट नोइंग व्हाट मेक्स पीपल एंग्शियस. सो गेट टू नो द वेरियस पॉसिबिलिटीज. और अगर ये हुआ तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ये हुआ तो मैं क्या करूंगा. नाउ यू नो, अभी एंग्शियस किस बात का होना है, अभी तो यू आर रेडी फॉर एनी पॉसिबिलिटी इन द फ्यूचर.
Right, 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 right.
एंड कीप योर सेल्फ बिजी. पबजी और सोशल मीडिया कितना देर करोगे. गेट इनोवेटिव, डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव, try to
Right.
learn something new every day, and very importantly follow a routine. इस लॉकडाउन में रूटीन अगर फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपकी लाइफ बहुत खराब होने वाली है, बिकॉज you will not be able to have the sanity in place. So follow a routine, do exercises, read something. So have a interesting routine जहाँ पे आप एक चीज नहीं 4-5 चीजें अलग अलग कर रहे हो.
Right.
And then ऐसा लगेगा जैसे अभी तुम्हें लग रहा है कि this lockdown has been great for you because you have made sure that you are using it as an opportunity, right?
Lot. Actually, I've started investing in myself. That's the exact line I could say because I'm doing things I never did when I was, out before COVID. So I'm just making use
True.
of this.
And it's
So
not just about the students, right? Even I was
Right,
facing
right, definitely.
anxiety because after the lockdown, I had no schedule, and like things are just going on, and I'm doing something or the other thing. I'm singing someday, I'm sketching someday, but there was no schedule. Then I really got to it. No, I need to follow a schedule. I actually every day I get ready as if I'm going to work. It makes me feel good.
Right.
Lying around in those घर का कपड़ा, it used to make me feel sad.
I got that.
So be more active, do things, पढ़े मत रहो, and make sure that you're learning something new every day. At the end of this lockdown, you will be much more wiser. Okay, it's
Yeah.
not about how many new series you have watched या फिर कितने memes आपने देखे या बनाए. Nobody is going to know that, and you are also not going to keep a track of it.
Right.
So do something more substantial than that.
I think I'm the only one who's not watching series. Trust me, my friends are just asking me, "Did you watch that? Did you watch that?" That's the discussion we have when we go on the conference calls or video calls, and I'm like, "Okay, I didn't do that. I didn't do that." But whatever, I'm just happy. Like I'm investing personally. I'm investing in my dance, which I never did it before. Like it's been a
Okay.
long stretch of time because of my education schedule, and I had no time to invest in myself. So I'm just
That's very
making use of
unfortunate.
this.
That's very unfortunate
Yeah,
because I'll
that
tell you,
is.
at ISPNM, I,
Mhm.
I, I myself am very interested in creative talent, right?
Oh wow.
I love performers. So I keep on pushing कि don't just study because क्या ही होने वाला है? Because life में
Right.
तुम सब काम करने वाले हो क्या? नहीं. You need
Right
to
on that.
learn to balance things. You need to
Right.
learn to do couple of things together. And because there are some students who are very studious and I hate these students. क्या करने वाले हो?
I
एक
got
दिन
it.
तुम्हारा स्टडीज खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद क्या करोगे?
Right. Right. No,
So it's
seriously,
very
I
important.
totally
It's very
got it.
important that you do multiple things.
Yeah, I think I believe that COVID has made me do multitask. That's exact what I could, explain. Like literally, I'm doing everything, including house chores. I don't feel like doing a house chore is a bad thing. I think this is your home and just start doing it. It's just a good exercise. You'll feel good rather than
True, true, true.
popping up here and there. Anyway, so let's see. Is there any other questions? Okay. Meanwhile, questions for I would like to know like. Pogi, right? So, what's your thoughts about Pogi? What's your view on it? I would love to know about that. I'm
I
curious,
have.
actually.
So am I because I actually don't know much about it. I know that you're doing a very good job by helping students by guiding them, and that
Right,
is what
right,
I have always believed in. That guide the students. They are very intelligent. Just show them the right path. They will walk through it. So you are just guiding them. You are letting them know. Now even this session is just asking the right questions. You're
right,
not telling
right.
them. You're just giving them the information and letting them take their own decision, and that is the best way to go ahead.
Exactly,
Some
exactly.
counselors I've seen who are into the counseling business, they just try to
It's like
impose it on the student. No, you do
right,
this.
right,
This
right,
is
right.
good for you. You trust me. No, that doesn't work.
That's done,
That shouldn't
right.
happen.
I totally agree on that. But and we definitely don't do that. It's like we are available 24 hours 7 for the students. I
Wow.
don't know about others, but definitely the head who handles all the calls. He tells me like he gets called in the midnight as well to get. And I think that's how genuine and that's how comfortable we have become. I feel good. Like not everyone is comfortable to dial at the midnight to someone and ask some questions, right?
Right.
So I'm glad about that,
Same.
first of all. Yeah. Anyway, so at the same time, I would like to mention to you, the viewers, like as you have mentioned, people should invest their time. So it's not specifically about specifically for students or anyone from the college or school, but it is for everyone. And I would like you to participate. It's a recent contest that we are going ahead for students basically, so who are getting stressed out and anxiety too, as we discussed. So we
Right.
want people to participate in and do anything. Even making a tea is fine. If you have never done it, just go ahead. If you feel embarrassed, like what people would think, just stop that. No one cares about it. Trust me. If you're feeling good, just do it. So that's what we are doing, and it's like a short clips that we are trying to gather from everywhere. So I would like you to invest, and I nominate personally you to do it
Wow.
for this.
Certainly, certainly. Uh, you must have put some creative on your Instagram page as well, right?
Right, right, right.
I'll,
Uh,
I'll make sure that I even share it because this is something nice that you are doing.
right.
Certainly, it's really nice.
Because it's like people are actually bored from hearing all the education and studious thing, and we want to let's motivate people to be happy and just calm down first of all. Like you guys are running
Certainly.
and getting grabbed from a lot of stuff. So anyway, I think I don't feel. Is there any question that you could see from your end? I certainly
I have
can't.
not been keeping a watch for the
Okay.
questions.
No, I have been, but because my net isn't working properly, maybe that's why. I think people are done, and this is admission for research and genuine information. Pogi is there.
Oh,
Yeah, we are over here.
right. I think we have
I
done.
think we are done. Right, right, right.
Yes.
And it was okay. So let's come to the end of this live session. I don't want
Right.
to, make. I believe like you might be having your dinner time. Probably, your wife might be waiting out there.
She is amongst the audience right now.
Oh, okay. Hi. Okay. Anyway, okay. So it was great time, Tanmay. First of all, I would like to thank you on behalf of Kogi. We are really honored to have you over here and provide your insights and your time to share your perspective, at the same time the information that people actually want you to know from for ISBM college. So thank you so much for that, and you
Thank you
have been
for
a
the
lovely.
opportunity.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you
I
for the
hope
opportunity.
I've
I
been.
like. You have been a wonderful host. You have been asking some very nice questions because through your questions we could discuss so many nice things. Because it's otherwise आप कौन से कंपनी में आप प्लेसमेंट देते हैं,
Right,
कितना पैकेज मिलता है, these are very very not important things, because कंटेंट क्या दे रहे हो ये important है.
right,
कंटेंट
right,
होगा तो कुछ अच्छा पक ही जाएगा. तुम क्या
right, right.
पकाने वाले हो ये, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें पक सकती हैं यहाँ पे. Right.
Exactly.
So
I totally agree on that part.
it has been nice talking to you. It has been always a pleasure to guide students. You yourself have been a student till very
Right,
recently, and I think you are going to be a student because you have that learning passion. You will keep on learning new
right,
things,
right, right.
and you are doing this very nicely. All the best to you. All the best to Pogi.
Thank
They
you.
are doing a good job, and it has been pure pleasure. Thanks.
Thank you so much. I actually, first of all, thanks for personal thanks to call me a good host. I don't believe me myself as one anyway, because this is my third hosting session and I've never
Wow, is it?
hosted. Yeah, I've never
Yeah,
hosted like
I wouldn't have ever thought that it's just your third. I thought you must be doing
really.
it for quite some time. Yeah, yeah,
No,
certainly.
no,
You are good.
no.
You no, you're trust me, you're good. I've seen a lot of people do this. You're pretty good.
Okay. No, no, I don't keep a track of these, all the hosting stuff as such. But I feel like just come up and let's have a good discussion. For me, that's hosting. Like that's how
Exactly,
I
exactly.
follow.
Very
So,
candid.
anyway, yeah, actually, I believe in that.
That's
Anyway,
nice.
so it was great talking to you, Tanmay, and thank you
Same.
so much once again. Let's catch up sometime with some other questions. Maybe people might be popping up again and again, and I'm pretty sure like we will be getting new questions after the session ends. So
Right.
I'll personally ask the audience if anyone has any question, you can either ping him personally or else you can get connected to us as well. Any way round, we have no issues on that.
ISBM underscore COC, right? ISBM underscore COC. They can message over there. They can ask their questions over there very easily. Secondly, they can check out the alumni Bachi session. They'll get a lot more information. Thirdly, you know, we have our entrance exam. We just finished the first
Right,
entrance exam.
right,
We will be
right.
having another
Oh,
in the coming month. We have two entrance exams. It will be because we conduct it in several places, and right now because of the
COVID.
lockdown, many people have not got the information properly. So therefore,
Oh,
we have decided to conduct another round of the entrance test. That would be I think on 25th of June.
okay.
Probably the date of this entrance exam will be out on the website.
Okay, so we'll be keeping updated you guys about this because we'll get to know about the genuine information, of course, and definitely, and good luck to others who would be appearing for this because I had no idea about this first of all, and I think that's pretty nice. Like you are taking care about the environment issues as well, the concerns that students are facing, and there are a lot of colleges and as well like even my college we are facing our online exams as well. There is a lot of issue
Right,
because we have international students as well, so there are a lot
right,
of
right.
things and network issues as well. So let's see how this tech issues get focused. And anyway, thank you so much, and it's time to leave. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Real
thank you.
glad
It's
to have
been a
you.
pleasure.
Let's
Thanks.
catch up sometime later, maybe after 25th or whatever that date would be after your exam. I probably feel like there would be a lot of questions that would be popping up.
It would be a pleasure, surely.
Great, great. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Okay, guys. So I hope this session was really useful for you and you might have got all your questions answered. and maybe because of the time issue, we probably used to have our sessions at 5 o'clock, and that too on Sundays. And today we tried to have it on this point of time because there was some issues in the timing. But probably I think we have covered all the questions that you guys were having an issue with. And if you guys have any other, concerns or anything else, like literally related to ISBN M or any other particular college, or even if you are from schools, anything, just ping us anytime. We are available 24 hours 7 on call, WhatsApp, and even on Zoom call. So you can have our details on any of our posts, or you can ping us directly or DM us. Anyway, thank you so much for being a good audience as well. Thank you. Goodbye.